Good morning, guys. My name is Alabebe Official. Guys, today it's a special day to me, and I thank God for this far. So today's videos start from my mother's compound, and I thank God, guys. I will come back to my ground, and in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section what did you think about these videos, guys. Can you give a like and also subscribe, guys? And love is for free. So far so good. I'm almost to 5k subscriber, and I really appreciate it, guys. So in other way, I'm running with my project, and it's happy moment to be here, guys. So guys, I welcome back again. East West, home is the best.
What's up, guys? It's Maro here. Today I'm receiving I don't know, you tell me how I should call him. He's the son of my cousin. So how should I call? How should nephew?
Yes.
No. Nephew is different. Nephew is different. Nephew is nephew.
How do you call my mom?
Cousin.
Cousin.
Yes. So your mom is my cousin. And you nephew is when it's uncle. Nephew is when I'm a brother to your mom. You know?
Yes.
So maybe first cousin. Hey, that is the real. That's the. Or guys, what do you think? His mom is my cousin. Okay, and he's a son to my cousin. So I think real English should be first cousin.
First cousin.
Yes. So we can walk this way. Yes.
First cousin.
Because if you say uncle, uncle is when I'm brother to your mom direct. So you can call me uncle.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Guys, we are here with Hello Baby.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Yes.
But we had some scores, but now those things are done.
Yes.
Because one day Hello Baby did a video here saying I've chased him, and I swear before God I didn't.
You didn't test me.
They had issues at the gate with my gate people.
Yes.
But you see, sometimes it's not Maro who does these things. Sometimes somebody there and they don't understand each other. But that being said, is Hello Baby is back officially.
Yes, I'm back.
Yes, and he's my first cousin, so his family. I cannot chase my family people away, you know.
Yes.
But at the same time, we wish them to be okay with us, to behave well, so that we can actually live together as a family.
Yeah.
So Hello Baby, I give you a quick tour.
Yes.
Sorry, hold this 1 minute.
Alright. Okay guys, just a minute. So I'm just here, and I feel so happy, guys. It's like beautiful over there. Oh guys, so give a like our videos and also subscribe. Okay.
Yes, so Hello Baby.
Yes.
I'll give you 1 minute and I'll let you finish the tour because I need to go and pick a parcel. Yes, we've really a lot. We've done a lot, guys. I'm giving my first cousin tour. So, and we are yet to put. Yeah, we have system. We have. Let me. You see. It's flickering, guys, but in real eyes it doesn't. You see from the camera how it does. But in real eyes, it's stable.
So missing say left here, left all this one.
Okay, let me turn for you more. Actually, there is even another one here. Okay. Yes. You left which one when you left?
This one, this one, and also that one there.
And the big one.
Yeah, and big one.
Now we've really progressed. We've really progressed. Even now we have fans. Yes. Now you check them out. Then when you finish, you turn off the lights.
Yes.
All right, guys, please support Hello Baby. This is my cousin, my first cousin. Yes. So I just have to support him. Hi, Hello Baby.
And me, I must be here.
Yes.
So I avoid some drama.
You avoid drama.
Yes, I will never do again.
It's better you eat little, but at least you can eat for a long time.
And I can't bite some fingers which feed me.
Yes.
Stop it,
and,
guys.
And also, this is your home. Hey,
you know, through you, I get a camera, a motorbike, even I'm building a modern toilet.
You can imagine.
Imagine.
So a place like that, you don't spoil.
Yes,
You
for sure.
keep saying, God, keep me in this place and let me succeed from this place. Yes, because many people have succeeded from this home.
Yes.
But I can ask you one question. Those all you've seen, they have left here and they are fighting me left. Do you see them going anywhere?
No,
Exactly.
He doesn't have anything.
They can win in 1 minute or they can win in the next 1 week. But after 3 months,
Nothing.
yes. Hello, baby.
Okay.
Do a tour. When you finish, you can turn
The light off.
You can even play music. Let me show you this. We have a scene, but I will play very little so you don't get copyright.
Okay.
We are yet to buy like a very high. Gitiriba, you are ready? We want to go. Yeah, those people are calling me. Okay, let me, guys. I want to test this for Hello Baby official. I want him to hear the speakers we have here. Afrobeat. I like to use this Afrobeat because if you skip, it's not like one song. One song will get copyright. Okay. Okay, let's do another one. And you can add more volume.
Wow.
Okay, another part so you don't get and it's a whole house everywhere.
Yes, even on the yes, I see the speakers. Hey. Wow, nice.
You can come.
Okay.
Put close.
Yes.
Over here, guys.
Hey.
You can go up.
Oh, guys, technology. Hey. Well. So, guys, I'm going up the stairs. Hey. Yes. Wow. Wow, guys, the sound here. And then we have another one here. Hey. Woo. Oh, la la la. Hey. Oh, guys, there is some stuff going on here, and it's lunch over here. So because you have some music there, Afrobeat, and I want to give you a quick tour. And that being said, I'm just here, and East West, man, home is the best. Woo. Let me give you a quick tour again, because my uncle left and he went for the issue, so I'm just here. Guys, did you remember during the party I was standing here operating this door, other door, and no other door, and man, things went right. So I know right now for the haters, they're like, maybe this day, like, it's amazing, man, and I wanna thank God for this far. Nowadays, guys, I'm coming so chubby. Wow, guys. So, and I left this mark, and it's be here means don't touch here, or means here it's be closed, and then here is the door. So automatically I will start cleaning these doors. My work starts resuming, man. What? Hey. Super amazing. And we are playing a music with my uncle, and then because me, I'm fearing the copyright. So here, these are a speaker. Imagine here. And but that time I was left here. I left only this light and that one here. But it's working, guys. Here, let me show you. You place here, like you see, yeah. And then this one here, you operate here. No, it's not here. That's for that one there. Yes, and then wow, I know. And we have some speaker here, and maybe for the next party, man, we have some inside speakers or system. Like, this is public, man. Wow. Eh. I feel like, hey man, huge progress you can see. And let me know in the comment section. But I was watching these videos for the several time. It's man, it's a huge progress. And I want to say thank you so much for those who are watching these videos, and keep supporting us by watching videos. Don't skip ads. We just over here. Hey man, I feel like, let me sit on this chair a little bit, and oh my god. Hey, even when you feel it's hot, you have here some fun, man. Look. Let me see. Na hizi fani mwana zinawashiwa wapi? Hapo. Eziwashe tuone. Na nitaenda acha tu. Oh guys. So these are white chairs, white, and we don't like maybe to be looked at. You must make cleanness, and when you are cleanness, even true in God you are clean, guys. Wow, this is a huge progress, blessing after all, man. This is a mixer. When you want to add a volume to reduce this effect, this phone, maybe you want to put a headphone like that, boom boom. Like when you want to play an Afrobeat, so like that. Well guys, let's go. And these are traditional chairs, guys. And most of the time, man, me, I'm like to sit on these chairs, even when it's arrived here. I like traditional things, but that's my culture, and I admire it. But when I'm thinking, when it's paint maybe Jamaican flag here or US flag, it look maybe it's having maybe a little bit a look, but right now it's okay. And maybe when sitting here, chilling, listening to small music over here. But even over there, they have some speakers, 2 of them, and wow. So you put here some cold drink and like, oh man, wow. And even this light will be here, and I know it's gonna be, there's some switch somewhere. If I'm not wrong, maybe here. I forget, guys. Oh, Masubo. Guys, let me call Masubo. I forget. I think here. Hata nimesahau mbona. Kana ita kuna washopi hapa ama huko? Na huko hivi. There's another socket over there. Yes, that is Masubo, guys. Let me see. Yeah, there. Hey. It's changing. Anataka ninawasha moja hapo. Hey, I know it's there. I remember, guys. No, me, I was using this one here. I was using this one here. Yes, this one, guys. Here, you see. Hey. And at the middle bulb, this one here, it's changing. It's on, and it's changing some light, but it's on. You see, it's white, and over here it look like yellow. Well, guys, so let me turn light off here like that, guys. So, and I wanna give you a quick tour upstairs, and also when you go upstairs, you have some amazing lights. Ooh. Man, for sure, I missed Villa Madellin a lot. It seems to be a while. Like, let me say, maybe February, March, April, May, June. Yeah, 5 months. But it's okay. Maybe less than 5 months. So let me see the. Hey, there. Easy.
Yeah, katikati hiyo.
Feel to an.
Like you can just sit there.
No. I need the. A fan. That fan there.
I want to show you. Those are for lights.
This one I know.
Okay, this is
I
for
remember.
fan. For
Yes.
this one,
You
as
do
can
like?
see, it's just over here at 0. So like here is at 5. You can just check.
Yes. See, guys, it's rotate.
Over there.
Yes. Let me come closer, guys. So what's like a?
It's coming.
Hey, hey. It's just like an aeroplane propeller. Wow, guys. Look, guys.
So you see here, we're just going to turn off like that, then turn off like that.
So this one depend on fast.
Yeah, this is faster. As you come here,
Okay.
as you can just see 5, 4, like coming like that.
Okay. Wow. So itaenda kusimama? Wow, guys. So I'm asking, kusimama is a Swahili word, means to stand or to stop. I mean, this one here. Hey, and it's a good thing, man. Wow, guys. Even I remember this picture was being here. Wow, guys. Masubo, na hii nini? Hii ni wifi. Guys, I'm asking Masubo whether this is a wife. Huge progress, guys. So, wow. Maybe this is a Starlink wife. I mean, I'm not sure of that. Guys, for sure, it's a huge progress. By that time, I was living here, and I left only this table here. But right now, you see a huge progress, and guys, let me sit on this chair. Ooh, man, I feel like I wanna launch everything on this dining, maybe on this chilling place here. And it's amazing table, you can see, and good quality, man. And when you want to buy something for your house, look maybe your color of your house that you paint inside, and it can match maybe with your furniture like tables. Masubo, hii ni Starlink ama ni wifi? Let me ask you, me guys, because I'm new here. There is some things changes, and I feel like I'm new. Isn't it?
These are lights.
Lights for?
Look at you.
It can light here. Oh.
Look at you.
Only here.
Is 1, 2. We installed only 3. You can just see at the remote over here. You can just reduce the lights.
So it can change some light?
No, here you reduce the light, as you can just see the light. Let me just add. You see?
Okay.
You see it's adding.
For decoration of the wall.
Yeah. Then you can just switch off.
Let me
So
see.
this one, you can just switch both of them. So
Okay, one remote control for light. 1, 2. Okay, it's 3.
yeah, you can just put on.
Hey.
Yeah, you can just put on.
Yes, all of them.
Just put off.
Let me see. Just
And then you just
no, show me. You put on,
on. You
and then you do like this.
yeah, because here the frequency.
Oh, it goes with waves.
Yeah, the waves. Yeah, then you can just be near guys.
And then you do like,
Yeah,
you must become near over here.
Yeah, like
Hey,
that.
guys.
Then you switch off.
Hey. All right, and then you switch off, and then you came on this part. Hey. When something is new for you, you must ask, guys. And then I put here some remotes, and just there the way. Well, guys, and that being said, actually this place during party, I know it's meant for VIP, and then most of the time make cleanliness, washing this glass. And when it's raining time, you can watch activities going outside, guys. Wow. And I'm feeling, guys, I'm so blessed to be here. And man, there is one word said, east to west, home is the best. It's just like a world. You can rotate around, and then you came back on the center. So guys, I want to say thank you so much. my uncle welcomed me again, and man, you know, I'm a human being. I can make a mistake without knowing, but advice is the best taught word, and it stick on my mind. And I said, wow, wow, guys. So today's videos, like, comment, and also share, guys. And that light, I know how to light. I don't forget. You know this light, the switch have been here, over here. The switch have been here. Let me see, guys. Oh, here. No, it's not that one. Not that one. I'm trying to look. No, maybe it's over here. Yes. Hey, I forget. Let me see. But I know it is here. Guys, but maybe it's down. I will go down and check. And guys, let me go to the top on the rooftop. And I know there is some maybe terrazzo, and for the first time maybe to see the terrazzo, guys. You can see here, and I know this light will be in here, guys. So it will be in. No, it's not there. Yes, it's over here. You can see. Hey. Let me see the color of the house. Is this one? Wow. Okay, guys. So, and I want to give you a quick tour to the terrazzo, guys. Hey. Oh, guys, and hey, guys, me, I'm always watching some videos. People who have been working here, installation of terrazzo, and maybe, if I'm not wrong, and even the helipad who have been here, the place where the helicopter were being seated over here. Oh, guys, and it's smooth, 100%. It's smooth over here, but guys, sorry for too much of the sun, and whoo, man. So this is the helipad here. You can see round. It's written. Let me stand over here. So it's written helipad. H. So here. When the helicopter came from, boom, and you can take the views, man. And this is how our village looks like. Well, guys, you can see the outside, man. And over there, look, when you're on the top of the roof. Well, guys, look on the top, man. And 100%. My uncle make a huge progress, but this one, it can stick over a million years without seeing maybe a house on the top maybe cracking or it's linking. No. Wow, guys. Hey, look, guys, super amazing, guys. Wow. Hey, and it has some partition, so you have side A, side B, and side C. That being said, the reason being, here, when the water is here, it can go there. And when the water is other side, it can go. There's some pipes there. Woo. Hey, and it's clean. Wow. Guys, here, when this side C and this side B, side C, side A, B, C, D. So here, let me sit on these trees here. Hey, guys, it's so hot here. So maybe here we can make some cleanness. There is a time maybe to make cleanness, like this time is a dry season, so you can make cleanness here on the top, on the rooftop, washing and at least look clean. And me guys, on my suggestion, when maybe I can ask him my own suggestion to buy some when you go to the coastal beaches, there's some maybe umbrellas and some stools you can put on here, maybe one there, other here, and on the other side you left because maybe gap, and then other side like two, and other side, and maybe we left for the helipad, but here we put like one there, either here and other there. So maybe if you want to chill, maybe in the evening time, you can chill here. You can chill here maybe in the evening, uploading videos, taking the views. Like for example, I'm sitting here and I'm watching everything outside of the compound, right, left, every angle. It can rotate like 360. Wow guys, hey, and this trees is growing good. It has some broad leaves, guys. Look at this. Hey. Well guys, so let me guys, sorry for that, because when I'm going over there we have too much of the sun, so you can't see me clear. So I want to take you on the top to see the solar heater. On the top I can see maybe the solar heater, guys. Because I was watching these videos, installation of solar heaters over there, and I want to show you, man, maybe, and I'm request for this to show you a little bit, and more amazing video is coming. Hey, woo-hoo. Guys, my uncle made a huge progress. Oh, and I'm climbing this ladder here to see. Hey, yeah, guys, something new. We call seven stars. Hey, guys, to be honest, I see something amazing ever since I was born, guys. Hey, guys, oh. Even I don't want to touch because I don't know how I've been set. Me, I don't know. I'm not the professional. Wow, guys. And it have some pipes over here. So maybe when we're taking shower inside the washroom inside the house, when we want to feel like today, oh, I want to take hot water, I want to take cold water. So for the hot water, you, hey, well guys, hey, God is good, man, and keep supporting my uncle by watching some videos, guys. You know, that's the best way he can make a huge progress, man. I can't pretend on that. Even also me, guys, by watching my videos, you keep supporting me, and at least guys, but I really appreciate your support, guys, for watching my videos. I want to change my mom lifestyle, building a modern toilet. Like yesterday I was smear the concrete, so that being said, the mixture of balance stones and cement and also sand, so you create something like, let me show you here, guys. For example, okay, it's the mixture of sand and cement and balance stone, so you smear, so you create like stuff like this, but this one meant for the terrazzo, guys. Hey. Well, guys, Masuko, utahira ndugu jifarasi sisi. Ama minte, mnanipe cake nimeramboka sasa hivi.
I'm eating cake, guys, over here.
And guys, I have given in the morning, but I'm feeling like I'm hungry. This is my brother here, and I miss you, bro. We met once at Nebuchadnezzar.
Once. No, nowadays I'm busy.
You are busy.
Yeah.
Even me, I'm busy.
No, sometimes.
And actually, I was working at my home there.
You know,
Watching
sometimes you will say that being busy sometimes really helps. Like for me, for now.
Yes, it helps some scandals from people.
Yeah, like for me, actually, you cannot find me that I'm just sitting with some group of boys in Yabohansi because I don't have time. Because after finishing lunch, what I usually ensure that is that by 3 p.m. I've just put in my video for 1 hour, and then after that, the supper is just over there. So you now find me with the groups of boys.
Yes, it's good.
And I really appreciate that. That's actually just been keeping me from
bad behavior.
Yeah.
So actually, because I'm new, since
maybe
I'm not new here,
no.
but since Maro bought some, we called horses.
Yeah.
Show me at least because I'm new over there, so it can some legs.
So maybe let us have lunch, and then because after having lunch, maybe we can go and do the feeding together. Yeah.
And we had some Rio and Malaika.
Yeah, Malaika,
I want to see them and at least, man, to touch.
Yeah, you know.
Okay.
Just over here.
This is called Kenya.
Yeah.
So you say I was watching videos. Kenya. So, hey guys.
Yeah, so let us have lunch. Then we should be progressing, going for the other side.
Alright guys. Yeah. So these are giving fun. Give some food, man. Tuna kuipo rai. Tuna chipo rai. Simulators are kicking. Yes, guys. These are giving fun. You know, guys, to be honest, since I was in primary school, this was my pet, guinea fawn and rabbit. Kenya. So I want to give Kenya food, guys. Some cake. This is a cake here. Kenya. You don't see food? Look. Wow, guys. Hey, Kenya. Enjoy. Oh, guys. Happy birthday to Kenya. Wow. Kau tu nak hek tu bukan? Kau tu cukup kerengkok. Oh, so guys, this rice. Yeah. Even me, you know, at home there.
Yeah.
Hey, rice every day. I feel like I'm tired of rice. Imagine rice, and I bought 1 bundle of chapati with flour, 50 kg. So I'm feel like everyday chapati. But when you go, the good thing about in our village here, guys. Honest, when I came to your house, like from Masubo house, I must eat. Yeah. Okay, let me see the rabbit. I miss the rabbit. Okay. Okay, guys. Wow, this is my motorbike here. It's chilling. Wow, guys, and what's up? Wow, guys. Hey. So I was telling you that when I'm in primary school, my pet was guinea fawn and rabbit, guys. So just over here. Oh my God. So I want to close it here. All right, guys. So it feel hungry. And well, guys, by that time I was left here. We have like, let me see, the big one is 1 and 2, I think 3. I was left 3 rabbit here. Okay, so, but right now you can see it's chilling. And when you see a rabbit doing a nose like this, it means that they feel so happy. So when you want to call a rabbit, you must go. Look. And even you can touch here. Look. Hey. Alright guys, so after this, let me see what my brother is cooking, and we take some lunch, and after that, guys, I'm going back home to see my project, and I want to cure some water. You know, in the morning I cure, in the evening I cure it. Alright. Okay, so we just here with my brother here, Gake.
Yeah, guys.
So we try to wash this utensil here.
So just over here washing.
This is night dishes, and so morning supper.
Yeah.
And then we left them to dry it. So we take them to the house. So guys, so what a woman can do, a man can do better.
So here you go, guys. So actually just washing.
And nowadays we became more chubby, guys. Look at my super, guys. Excuse me, I'm not more.
No.
I know it's but
No, the chicks are good.
no, your chicks are becoming more chubby.
More chubby.
You can see, guys, even like mine. Look. When I'm compare my old video, Masum, I was not like that. Even you, you look like old man. But nowadays, because God transformed life. Even me, guys, I was looking like a 90 years old grandpa. But right now, look, guys. So, guys, story for another day. So, just over here, go and check Mr. Who. Mr. Gake. There's one word you said only and you and who. Yeah. There's one word you said only and something and then Gake.
No, that is like there's actually there's some subscribers come with a lot of names. Others were just calling me dedicated because actually
what the meaning of dedicated?
Like kujituma, like somebody who just actually keep working hard and hard.
Even you remember us. Yeah. You are dedicated, brother.
Yeah, so dedicated.
You can open the channel you call dedicated brother.
Yeah, and then another one, actually, they call me loyal.
Loyal means?
Like, from the word loyalty. And then others, they call me now favorite. So that's, and then...
and again, the best one, and then, dedicated.
You see, the loyal, dedicated, favorite.
One like, meaning one word.
So actually, no, these are different names with different meaning. So what? Just come up with a good suggestion that why can't I arrange for this young man the names? So he come up with like yours. So he come like a yours, dedicated, loyal, favorite boy, Mr. Gake. And I say, why not? That's good name you are giving me. Let's go.
Guys, and not about me. Maybe dedicated because najituma tamim, you see?
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe guys, even me, I'm dedicated, guys. Ooh. Dedicated. And you will be loyal.
Yeah, me, I'm dedicated because actually, I don't just say dedicated to my work over here. You know, I always say that, you know, here is my home. Not like here's my home.
It's not like his home.
Yeah, here is home. Whereby actually I just keep working hard and hard. I don't like that when I'm just seeing something which is not good. I'm just pretending that I'm not seeing it so that Maro can just tell me. When I just think this is not good, I just go and rectify it to become good. So actually, like that. Oh,
guys. So it's good maybe when you see things are in other mess, you must correct it earlier before spoiled. Oh, guys. So keep lock. More moving this kind. So guys, it's lunch over here, and this is rice and chicken, guys. So we just have the uncle mo. Say hey.
Why we are in the high table. People doesn't like talking in the high table, but thank you very much for being hosted in the Arabic channel. We are here eating lunchtime. Don't forget to hit the button and to subscribe.
And over here, guys.
Yeah, guys. Here, as you can just see, everybody, guys, just having his lunch over here. So keep watching the vlog and just tell us what you think about this amazing video.
Yes, guys. Hey, it's a mountain of rice, man. Wow. But I'm African, I can finish the whole of it. I'm gonna go back. Hey, you. Asungeta bishin tunawe mikono tokuraji nyamuja nao. Well, guys, so we finished taking lunch, and it's time to see what is going on outside here. Well, guys, tunaenda. Okay, guys, so I want Gake to show me. Wow.
Also, if you're first time watching this, can you please consider subscribing? So come with me so that you can just see how things are going to be.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Which first? Yeah, okay, yes. So here just progressing, guys. You can just see the feeding of this. It's front. So here is where we usually put the
Feeding sack.
The feeding sack for tomorrow, so that we can just go and bring more and more. So this is how we are just doing. Maybe you can just take a short video for or maybe let's go. So you can just see they are just going to feed over here. Yes. So after feeding,
just come out, I want to touch
so actually let me just say, guys, let me just say that after feeding, when you're just touching it, you just touch like so, not that you go like this, because when you go like this, it's not that you are, let me just say, you are new. So just touch it, just call it.
Maybe put my hand there.
Maybe you can just like that.
Like that.
Yeah,
Rio.
Rio.
Guys, I'm touching Rio.
Yeah,
Rio. Enjoy.
I'm not going to.
Alright, guys, so it's time to go and cure it. I'm going to cure my toilet, guys. So I create a concrete slab, and actually I want to go home to cure it. And I want to say, guys, thank you so much. Mr. Gaki, they open the gate, guys. So yes, and we pass to your home, and then I go back. Okay, so I need to take my motorbike, and I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you, and I'm here as a teamwork. So be honest, that being said, to be patient and kind, guys. Everything should be right, man. Well, guys. Right, guys, so I have already came home, and I'm from my uncle's place, and this is my motorbike here. Guys, so I think so far so good. Over there is my project, but honestly, guys, I did yesterday's videos all about my project, but I didn't upload, guys. So let me show you, but soon my video is coming, and I want to show you a little bit, guys. So I feel like I made it. Oh, and they put concrete cement. So this is the pipe to take the fumes out. So it's 10 feet from the inside the toilet up, and when I get money soon, guys, I shall start setting off the blocks over here. But video for this for my project, it will come maybe tomorrow, guys, so don't worry about it. And it's a harvest season, guys, so I feel like I could end my video I could end my videos at home here. Oh, guys, and I want to say, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you, and let's Let me know in the comment section what do you think about my videos, guys. Can you give a like and also subscribe? And today's videos you enjoy from the first up to the end, guys. Wow.